morning children. English subject for 3rd class. Nana, okay na? Can you guess me, Nana, what is this? Huh? Can you guess what is this? See, Nana? Yes, here we have a small seed is there. If you sow the small seed into the soil, Nana, what will become, Nana? Simply if you sow the seed in the soil, it will grow up. Daily we have to sprinkle the water. Yes or no, children? Daily we have to sprinkle the water. So daily if you go on sprinkling the water, few days after what will become? It grows into a baby plant. How the baby plant will be the under this seed, the small roots will be growing and small baby plant will be growing. Okay na? And few days after the plant will be growing and becoming a big plant. So when the plant become big, what will in the plant what will get, Nana? We'll get the fruits and the flowers. Yes or no, children? This is about what, an eggplant. So first of all, tell me how we get this plant, Nana? How we get the plant? If we sow some seed only, we'll get the plant. Yes or no, children? If we don't sow the seed, we'll get the plant? No. Yes or no, children? So each and every seed will grow into a plant? Yes. Whether it grow or not, we'll see in the textbook, Nana. Okay, we'll see in the lesson. Okay, na? So today our topic is about the seed. Today our topic is, lesson name is about the seed. And this is the lesson seed, Nana. So in this lesson, what happened? The seed becomes, whether the seed has grown into a big plant or not, we'll see in the lesson. Okay, na? So all of you open page number 3636, Nana. This is your 5th lesson, 3rd class. This is the 5th lesson. We have the lesson name, the seed. Okay, Nana? So I think, have you ever grown the seed, Nana? Yes, no? Yes, kada? మీ అందరూ సీడ్స్ మొలక వేసుంటారు కదా, సాయిల్ లో పెట్టి మొలకలు వచ్చేటట్టు చేస్తుంటారు కదా మీ అందరు కూడా. ఇఫ్ నాట్, సో టుడే డూ దట్ థింగ్, Nana. Okay, take any one of the seed and put it in the soil. Daily sprinkle the water. Sprinkle means what, Nana? చల్లాలి వాటర్ ని మొత్తం బాటిల్ మగ్గు వాటర్ పోస్తే the seed will not grow. Okay, no, only we have to sprinkle the water. See, few days after what will become, will grow into a plant or not, you observe it. Okay, na? So in this lesson, what happened, we'll see now today. Okay, na? Okay, the seed. Let's start. Once upon a time in China, there lived a king. Once upon a time in the China, there lived a king. It is a country name. What is the country name, Nana? It's a China country. In the China country, once there lived a king. Oka king undevadu, oka raju undevadu. He was very old. How was he, Nana? He was very old. Old means what? Musaliyatan ayipayadu anamata. Okay na? He did not have any children. He was very old and he did not have any children. Atanki pillalu leru. Okay. He wanted to choose an honesty and good person to become the king after him. So what, Nana? The king became very old and also he don't have any children. So what happened? The king thought that, so after me, who will rule this country? Ee rajyanni evaru paripalistaru? And he was going on thinking. So he got one idea. So what idea he got? We'll see now. So he wanted one person. He wanted one person. Those who is that? Is a honesty and a good person. He wanted the he wanted an honesty and a good person. He want for his kingdom. We'll see what happened. He thought to himself, how will I find such a person? So what he wanted, the old king wanted an honesty and a good person. So will you get that like that person, Nana? Honesty ga, ippuna situations lo manchi honesty ga, manchi good manners, good discipline tho unna vallu untara? Evaru undaru ippudu kada. But the king wanted it. But the king wanted a honesty and a good person. So he was going on thinking, how I will get this good person? Ekkadi nunchi ostadu naku? How I have to found a good person and a honesty person? And he was going on thinking. Then he got an idea. We'll see now, Nana. He then had an idea. Tanaku oka alochana vachindi. He called all the children in his kingdom to the palace. So in his kingdom, whoever the children are there, he called all the children to his palace. Atani rajyamloki rajyamlo unna chinna pillalantani kuda తీసుకున్నాడు అన్నమాట. He called all the children who are there in this palace and called into the kingdom. Next what happened? He gave each of them a special flower seed and said, plant these seeds, bring the plant to my palace next next year. Whoever can grow these seeds into the best flowers will become the king. What the king has got an idea, Nana? Very good idea the king has got. Yes or no, children? So what is it, Nana? He called all the children, whoever is there in his kingdom, to his palace. So what he said? All children came to the palace. So what the king gave, Nana? The king gave what? A special flower seed. ఒక మంచి అందమైన పువ్వు పూసే ఒక గింజని ఇచ్చాడు అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? ఈ గింజని ఇచ్చి అందరికి తలా ఒక్కొక్క గింజ ఇచ్చేసాడు అన్నమాట. The king gave this seed to all the children. One seed he gave. So what he said? Plant these seeds. He is asking him to plant these seeds. ఈ గింజని మీరు నాటండి అని చెప్తున్నాడు. ఓకేనా? Bring the plant to my palace next year. So what is telling? Now go and grow. Now go and sow this seed. Sow అంటే నాటడం అన్నమాట. విత్తనం నాటదాన్ని sow అంటారు అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? So sow this seed and after so now you don't bring the seed to me. Okay, next year when the plant grows to the next year, then you bring this plant near me, he said. Okay na? ఏమంటున్నాడు? ఇప్పుడు మీరు వెళ్ళి నాటేసేసి నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ నా దగ్గరికి మళ్ళీ వర్షాకాలం స్ప్రింగ్ సీజన్ వస్తుంది కదా, అప్పుడు నా దగ్గరికి తీసుకురండి అని చెప్పని చెప్తున్నాడు. Whoever can grow these seeds into a big best flowers will become the king. So whoever will grow the best flowers, ఎవరి కుండీలో అయితే ఎవరి చెట్టు ఎవరి గింజ అయితే మంచి చెట్టుగా మారి అండ్ మంచి ఫ్లవర్స్ ఇస్తుందో, then that person will become the king. That person will become the king అని చెప్పేశాడు. Okay, all the children went back home with a special seed. So all the children took that seed and went to their homes. వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళిపోయారు. Ping, a small boy. Ping, a small boy. Ping kuda is one of the boy name. Ping is the name of the one small boy. He also have taken the small seed and went to the home. A small boy also went back home with the seed. So he too went back with the seed with the home. Okay. He was very happy because he loved plants. He was very happy. The Ping was very happy to see the seed. Why? Because he loved the plants very much. తనకి పింగుకి చెట్లు అంటే చాలా చాలా ఇష్టం అంట. He filled a flower pot with rich soil and planted the special seed. So what he has taken, Anna? He has taken one pot. మంచి ఒక pot తీసుకున్నాడు. He has taken one pot and special soil, మంచి అన్ని న్యూట్రియంట్స్ ఉన్న సాయిల్ ని మిక్స్ అప్ చేసేసి he kept all the soil in the pot. Okay na? Then after keeping the pot, soil in the pot, what he did, Nana? He has taken the special seed and put the seed in the pot. Seed ఏం చేశాడు? pot లో పెట్టేసి he kept the seed in the pot and daily was going on sprinkling the water. So we'll see what happened. He filled a flower pot with rich soil and planted the special seed. Okay na? What happened? He has taken the pot, in the pot and special rich nutrients soil he has taken and he had kept in the pot. And after that he planted the special seed in the pot. Every day he watered the seed. Every day he was watering the seed. Okay na? Nothing happened. రోజు కూడా చెట్టుకి ఆ గింజ వస్తుంది, చెట్టు వస్తుంది అని చెప్పి రోజు వాటర్ పోస్తూ ఉండేవాడు అనమాట. బట్ నథింగ్ హ్యాపెండ్. ఏమీ రాలేదన్నమాట, ఏమీ కాలేదు. The seed did not sprout. Sprout means what అమ్మా? మొలకెత్తడం కదా. చిన్న చిన్న వేలుతో మొలకలు వస్తాయి కదా నాన్న. But the seed did not sprout. మొలకెత్తలేదన్నమాట పాపం. He put the seed into bigger pot with more soil. ఏం చేశాడు మళ్ళీ? Again he has taken the seed from the pot and he kept the seed in the big pot. బాగా పెద్ద కుండీలో, ఇంకా కొంచెం పెద్ద కుండీలో పెట్టి ఇంకెక్కువ వాటర్ మినరల్స్ న్యూట్రియంట్స్ అన్ని ఉన్న సాయిల్ లో పెట్టాడు అనమాట. Still nothing happened. Even though he had changed the water, plants and soil also, but the seed did not sprout at all. He became very worried and very sad. So what happened, Anna? మీరు చెట్లు నాటినప్పుడు చెట్టు కనుక చనిపోతే ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతారు? విల్ ఫీల్ హ్యాపీయా సాడా? ఎస్, మనం పెట్టిన చెట్టు చనిపోతే విల్ ఫీల్ వెరీ సాడ్. అవునా కదా? ఇన్ ద సేమ్ మేనర్ the seed did not sprout. The seed will not sprout means you will feel very happy. You will be worried and sad. Yes, you will be worried and sad. చాలా బాధ అనిపిస్తుంది, బాధగా కూర్చుంటాం, అయ్యో రావట్లేదే అని చెప్పాను అనుకుంటాం కదా. So still nothing happened. He became very worried and very sad. At the end of the year his pot was empty. He was going on watering the plant, watering the seed throughout the year. సంవత్సరం మొత్తం కూడా పాపము he was going on watering to the seed. But anything happened? Nothing has happened to the seed. It did not sprout at all. Okay, spring came. ఏమైంది? Spring season next year వచ్చేసేసింది అన్నమాట. All the children took their pots with beautiful flowers to the king. ఏం చేశారు? Whatever all the children has got that seed, they planted the seed, and so what happened after the next year? What became? The seed has grown to the big plant with many flowers, with many beautiful flowers. All the plant they have taken to the king. All the children have taken the pots to the king. Only Ping has an empty pot. He was ashamed. ఏమిందంట? So our rajamlo, so in the kingdom, whoever the children are there, all the children has sprouted the seed, and the plant grows into a big plant, and many flowers are there for the plants. So these plants they are taken to near the king, but only the pink seed did not sprouted, nothing happened. So he felt very ashamed. Ashamed means what? సిగ్గుపడ్డాడు. అందరి చక్కగా మంచిగా పూలు చెట్లు మంచి చెట్టు అయిపోయి పూలు పూస్తుంది, నాది మాత్రం చిన్న కొంచెం కూడా రాలేదు అని చాలా సిగ్గుపడుతూ బాధపడుతూ ఉన్నాడు అనమాట. But Pink's father said, "You did your best." But Pink's father said, "You did your best. Your best is enough for the king. Go to him with the empty pot." So he was very bad. He was very ashamed, Nana. చాలా బాధపడ్డాడు, చాలా సిగ్గుగా అనిపించింది అనమాట తనకి. సో వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్? హి వాస్ సిట్టింగ్ సైడ్ అండ్ హి వాస్ థింకింగ్ అబౌట్ దట్ why my seed did not grow అని చెప్పి he was going on feeling very bad about that. So father came near him. Pink father came near him and said, "Nana, you don't worry about that. Whatever work you have given, the king has given to you, you have done it. Okay, నీకు ఇచ్చిన పని నువ్వు సక్రమంగా చక్కగా చేసేసావు, నువ్వేం వరి కావద్దు. ఓకేనా? సో ఏం బాధపడకే, ఏం జరిగినా కూడా మంచి జరుగుతుంది. సో ఈ గో నియర్ ద కింగ్ అండ్ సే ద సేమ్ థింగ్ వాట్ హ్యాస్ హ్యాపెండ్ అనే ద సేమ్ థింగ్ యూ టెల్ టు ద కింగ్ అని చెప్పేశాడు అనమాట. ఎవరు? ఫాదర్. సో వాట్ ఫాదర్ సెడ్? ద ఫాదర్ టోల్డ్, నో దిస్ విత్ దిస్ ఎంప్టీ పాట్ ఓన్లీ గో విత్ ద నియర్ ద కింగ్ అని చెప్పేశాడు అనమాట. పింగ్ వెంట్ టు ద ప్యాలెస్. ద కింగ్ వాజ్ లుకింగ్ అట్ ఆల్ ద ఫ్లవర్స్. Slowly he came to Pink's pot. He looked at the empty pot and asked, "Why is your pot empty?" What happened? So Pink also have taken the empty pot near the palace. So the king was moving towards all the flower pots. Okay na? చెట్ల కుండీలు ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఆ కుండీల చుట్టూ he was going on round. Okay na? At last the king came near whom, Nana? At last the king came near the pink. Okay na? So he observed the pink spot. So in the pink pot, any plant is grown, Anna? No, the pot was empty. The pot was empty. The king was asking, so what happened? Why this pot was empty? Why his pot is empty? Ani adugutunnadu anamata. Pink said, "I have done my best, but the seed did not sprout." Na sayi shaktula nenu prayatninchanu. I have done my best, but the seed did not sprout. Ani cheppadu anamata. The king smiled and said, "I have found the next king." He said to the other children, "The seeds I gave you were all cooked." Okay, na? They could not grow into a plant. What has happened, Anna? So when the king said that my seed did not sprout, so I don't know what happened and cheppedu. So what happened? The king smiled and said, what the king smiled and said, Nana? Okay, Nana, very good, no problem. And చెప్పేసేసి సో డైరెక్ట్లీ ద కింగ్ ఏం చెప్పాడు? సో ద పింగ్ విల్ బికమ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ కింగ్. The ping will become the next king. Why the ping will become the next king? Because the king has given the cooked seeds. ఉడకబెట్టిన గింజలు ఇస్తే మనకు మొలకెత్తుతాయేనా? No. The king has given the cooked seeds to all the children. Do cooked seeds will sprout? No, the cooked seeds will not be sprouted. So who is honesty here? All children flowers plants are grown and flowers are also grown. Okay, na children? So that means only pink plant seed did not grown, so sprouted. That means who is the honesty here? Yes, pink is the honesty boy. So the seed I gave were cooked. They could not grow into a plant. Will the cooked seed will become into a plant? No. So all of you have cheated me. So you all have cheated me. మీరందరూ కూడా నాకు అబద్ధం చెప్పారు, నన్ను మోసం చేశారు అని చెప్పని చెప్పారన్నమాట. But Ping is an honesty boy. He will be the next king. So Ping will become the honesty boy. Ping is the honesty boy. So next he will become the next king అని చెప్పి king చెప్పేశాడు. That means what is the moral of this lesson, Nana? What is the moral of this lesson? So always, Nana, we should be honest. We should be always in a honesty. Honesty always protects you and saves you and give the good guidance, leads to a good life in your life period. అవునా కదా నాన్న? ఎప్పుడు కూడా మన నమ్మకంగా, హానెస్టీగా, మంచితనంగా ఉంటామో మనం అనేది లైఫ్ లో ఎప్పుడు కూడా సక్సెస్ అవుతాం. అవునా కదా? దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ ద లెసన్ ద సీడ్. ఓకేనా?